Hello everyone, my name is Vadini. I'm assistant professor in RPIIT Karnal, Bastara. Today we are going to learn about risk analysis. What is the definition? The risk analysis in the software testing is the process of identifying, evaluating, and prioritizing potential risks that could impact the success of a software project. This process helps teams to focus their testing efforts on most critical areas, ensuring that the most significant risks are mitigated or minimized. Let's learn about the benefits of the risk analysis. Focus testing. It helps in prioritizing testing efforts on the high risk areas, ensuring that the most critical issues are addressed first. Resource optimization. It allocates resources efficiently, reducing time and cost by focusing on the areas with the highest impact. Proactive management allows teams to anticipate potential issues and prepare mitigations strategic in advance, reducing the likelihood of the project delays or failures. Improve decision making, that is provides valuable insights for stakeholders, helping them make informed decisions about project prioritize and resource allocation. Then the types of risk. Technical risk. So issues related to the software performance, scalability, security, and comparability. So these covered in technical risk. Business risks. The risk related to the potential failure to meet the business objectives or the user needs. Project risk. The risk associated with the project management, such as time constraint, resource allocation, or scope changes. External risk. External risk factors like regulatory changes, market conditions, or vendor dependencies. So these are all the types of risk. Risk assessment. Once the risks are identified, they are assessed to determine their likelihood of the occurrence and the potential impact of the project. Assessment techniques. It comes under risk assessment only. That is qualitative analysis and quantitative analysis. So, qualitative analysis uses the subjective judgment to assess risks based on their likelihood and impact, that are high, medium, and low. And quantitative, it includes the numerical methods to estimate the probability of risk and their impact, often using metric like expected monetary value, etc., EMV. The risk prioritization is the risks are prioritized based on their severity and likelihood. High priority risks are those with a high likelihood of occurring and a significant impact of the project. The risk matrix, that is like a common tool which is used to prioritize risk, where the risks are plotted on a metrics based on their likelihood and impact. The matrix helps in visualizing where which risks require the most attention. Then what is risk mitigation? That is, after prioritizing risks, uh, strategies are developed to mitigate or manage them. This could involve preventive measures, conti- contingency planning, or transferring risk to another party, avoidance, reduction, transfer, and assistance. So these all are the under risk mitigations. So if you like our video, to like and subscribe our channel also. Thank you.